Gathanga, Kashie.
Kiharo-ini kia thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Kiambu niko minista wa uruti wira wa muingi Moses Kuria oima igongona-ini ria kuruguria mubango wa utambia wa mathomo ma muingi iria itabarĩirwo ni ruhonge rwa mibango na utonga wa bururi unyitanĩri na thirikari ya Kiambu. Akiaria hindi iyo Kuria nionekire kurongoreria uteti wa ugai wa kigina kuringana na uingi wa andu, akiuga uyu ni uteti urorete kugayukania atongoria makirwirira andu ao ndeto iria itabatie guthie na mbere.
I don't know Bwana PS where you come from. The average size land holding you and the governor is close to quarter of an acre or thereabout. We have no land, we have no minerals. Even water is a problem. Yeah, we have no oil. And still people are saying, Nyomba itu. It's nonsense. For people who are dying, no space, no jobs, no nothing. We need Kenya. The biggest ingredient, people, especially from this region, we need is to really invest in Kenya.
Miario ya Kuria yonekire kumurika munini wa mutongori wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua hamwe na atongoria amwe kuma magicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya. Minister uyu akiuga ndereti ino ya kurehe uthu gatagati-ini ka nduriri itiganite.
Our salvation, our hope, our prosperity, our destiny in spreading out into the rest of the country, integrating with the rest of the country, because the region cannot be strong if the nation is weak. Let us all work together to make every corner of the country.
Kuria ahinyiriirie kugie na unyitaniri mwega gatagati-ini ga thirikari cia kaunti niguo tamburukio wa mahinya kuma kuri thirikari nene uhote gukinyira muingi na njira igwete.
I recall session paper number 10 of 1965, which said that there is some parts of Kenya which are used for Kenya, others are not productive, and it's called for investment in only the productive parts of Kenya. This plan, which is based on bottom-up economic transformation agenda, is actually preaching the exact opposite. It's talking about inclusive growth. Growth is not enough unless we all grow together.
Kuria uria kumagaritio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no wa Musiga Thesha ni marutite mukana kuri turianime sekta-ini ya thuguri ya kahua, makiuga mitaratara iria thirikari yarĩire ni guteithĩrĩria hari kuhurana na mathina maya kaimana.
So the county, as we do extension, as we do the aggregation centers, what is most critical is the market, because you can grow and not have a market. Now that becomes a point of frustration.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.